What I'm going to do today is help you through the quick order form for wholesale orders. So the first step is to go to bloomtown.co.uk, our website, and to log in. Before you do this though, please, if you haven't had a chance, just send me an email just to let me know that you'd like to set up a wholesale account, and then I'll tag your account, your email address, with wholesale so that when you do log in, you'll see wholesale prices. So if you want to click on login and then type in your email address and password, sign in, and you'll know you're logged in because if you go up to the top right again, it will say my account rather than login. And then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Bottom left, you'll see wholesale quick order form. When you hover over it, it disappears. You can just click on it and it will open a new tab, and then you'll be on the quick order form. And if you're logged in, as you should be, top right here, then you'll see wholesale prices including VAT. Okay? Now, rather than adding items individually, so what I don't recommend doing is putting one mini set and going to add to cart, because it will actually take you away from the form, put you onto the cart page, and then you'll have to use the back button a lot. By the way, I was doing a test order before, so that's why I have all this stuff in the cart. So I'm just going to remove these items for now, just so that it's clearer for you. So I'm going to go ahead and okay, if you get lost and you don't know what to do and you don't know where you are, the easiest way is just to use the back button, or just scroll to the bottom of the page again and click on quick order form. It will take you right back there. It may open a new tab though, so you can just close out any unnecessary tabs here. So I'm back on the quick order form. So instead of trying to add items individually, what you can do is just add them all at once and click add to cart just once. So then it saves you time. So you can either use this little up arrow here to add the quantity you want, and then go, or you can actually just delete and type in the quantity that you want. So you can also just type it in, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and add 5 gift sets and 5 masks for now, okay? And I'm gonna go to add to cart, and so it's gonna add both of these items. And I should, when it takes me automatically to the cart page, see, yes, 5 gift sets here and 5 masks. Now, you're gonna see the retail price crossed out and the wholesale price including VAT listed, which is the total amount for 5 of this product. Now you'll notice something. If I try to check out at this point, it doesn't give me the option. It says continue shopping or update cart, but it doesn't actually let me check out. And the reason for that is because I'm not meeting the minimum total amount that I need, including VAT, for wholesale prices. Okay, my total including VAT is $93.30. It doesn't meet the amount. So in order to get that wholesale discount, you need to then go back to the quick order form, so you can press the back button here and add a few more items. So let's go ahead and add 10 cafe bath oils and 10 rose garden bath oils, and see if that brings us up to where we need to be. Okay, so now I've got the original items that I had in, which are the 5 minis gift sets and the 5 masks, plus some new items that I've added just now. And now I am meeting the minimum wholesale quantity, which is in this case, we've got 201.30, so that's way above what we need to be. So now I can check out. So I'll click on checkout. And it's saying that I have a wholesale shipping that I need to pay. If I meet the free shipping threshold, which is £500, then I don't have to pay this, but because mine's under, I do have to pay the shipping amount, the postage and packing amount. And then I can just go to continue payment and either pay right then and there or click on bank deposit. Please note that if you do get any notifications on the website, get it by dates, those really only apply to retail orders. It takes us a bit longer to do wholesale orders, so we aim to dispatch your order within 2 to 5 business days. Busy times, this can be a little bit longer, so we try to make sure you're informed of this through emails, etc. But normally it's 2 to 5 business days that we aim to dispatch. So you can click on bank deposit and just make sure either to, if you're a new customer, if you can pay it as soon as possible so that we can dispatch your order, or if you have 30-day terms with us, then obviously within 30 days. And then you just want to scroll down, make sure that your shipping and billing address are accurate, and then you can just, this orange button is really crucial here. You want to make sure to complete your order before leaving the page, because it won't come through on our system unless this button is clicked. Okay, so hopefully that is pretty clear and straightforward. If you have any questions or you're struggling at all with the process, then please do email me, priyanka@bloomtown.co.uk. You can also email info@bloomtown.co.uk. Thanks so much for your business. We really appreciate it. And see you later. Bye.